Okay, guys, it is the time for the $500 trading tips, and we'll be checking it out right here in this video. However, before I go fully into it, in case you are joining me for the first time, I welcome you all to Qora Digital Cash. And if you love the content you are getting from here, kindly give me a follow right now, like this video, and share this video with friends and family. Okay, so quickly, let's go straight into what we have right here. These are the assets that we'll be checking out. Everything I will be doing in this video is going to be based on my own personal analysis, trading tools, and the exact time frame I will be using. The performance also depends on when you are seeing this video. If you are not joining me live and direct, then you will have to have a recheck on the charts before you can follow up with the analysis. Okay, so quickly, let's go straight into what we have right here, starting with GameX 1200. Okay, guys, this is GameX 1200, and of course, this had been on downtrend before, but got to this support zone, was unable to break out from there, and of course, okay, before I go further, let me quickly say this. The chart is 15-minute time frame, and I'm using the trade and trend Milka trade indicator to do my analysis. Like I said earlier on, or like I was saying at the beginning of this video, this had been on downtrend but got to this support zone, and of course was unable to break out from here. So it went till it got to this region, came back to see if it will break out below this support zone. If it breaks out below it, it's going to sell more. If it does not, it will go back on uptrend. So I'm actually waiting for a change in direction right from there. It will buy till it gets to this region, and most likely if it breaks out from there, for it to get to this particular spot. Okay, so this is very, very important. So if it's unable to break out from here, then it will go back on full buy trend. Okay, so this is very, very important. So I'm expecting a buy from there, but let's wait for the um, right signal before we go into it. If it breaks out below the support zone, it's going to sell. You should wait, understand that. Okay. Next asset is going to be GainX 999. This is GainX 999. This had been more of an uptrend than a downtrend. But after getting to this resistance zone, it has not been able to break out from there. So if you should notice, it has been moving from this channel to the other one. Okay, so if you should notice, that is what we have been experiencing. Okay, so and it has come down again till it got to this region. If it breaks out below this, it's most likely for it to sell till it gets to this region. If it does not, it will go back and try out the upper part of the channel again. Okay, so this is very, very important. This is still selling at the moment until it is unable to break out from the lower part of the channel successfully. Okay, next asset is going to be Paynex 1200. This should actually go on downtrend because it has tried out the resistance zone several times, also came down and tried it out again, still unable to break out from there. So it should actually start a downtrend right from there, but you can see it pulling back again. Like I've always been telling you, the market will always misbehave sometimes. Okay, so if it gets to this resistance zone and breaks out above it, it's going to buy more. If it does not, it will go back down and see if it can get to this region and see if it can also break out from there. If it breaks out from here, then it's going to sell more. Okay, so we expect it to get to this particular spot at least. Okay, sorry, this particular spot. Okay, so if it starts selling, okay, but for now it is still buying until it is unable to break out above the resistance zone. Okay, so this is very, very important. Okay, so next asset is going to be um Paynex 999. Let's check it out together. This is Paynex 999. It had been on uptrend right from this support zone, and it has been buying since then, and it is still buying. If it breaks out above the resistance zone, it's going to buy more. If it does not, it will go back on downtrend. So this is still very much on uptrend. Okay, so it is still buying, okay, until it is unable to break out above the next resistance zone. Let's check out FX volume 80. FX volume 80 had been on uptrend also, having some pullbacks and playing around this region also for a while. Had a pullback around here since it's unable to break out from that resistance zone. So it's going back up again to try it out again. It's unable to break it out, then we are most likely for us to experience a selling opportunity right from here till it gets to this region. And if it breaks out from here, then it's going to sell more and we may likely get it around here. Okay, so this is very, very important. Okay, but for now this is still buying until it is unable to break out from there. Okay, so this is very, very important. These are all that we are able to come up with tonight. All you just need to do is just for you to understand every part of the analysis and apply them carefully whenever you are trading. For those of you who are here to perfect your trading skill, kindly go back to the channel, watch my training videos, practice very well on your demo account before trying them out on your real account. And if you love this content, kindly give me a follow right now, like this video, and share this video with friends and family. Thank you.